Zen is a new browser and getting some popularity in the last few months. Personally, I have dabbled with different browsers from Chrome to Safari to Arc, and currently I'm using Firefox. From the reviews that I have watched, I have noticed that Zen is very similar to Arc on the basis of its appearance, but for the experience, I have to test it for myself. Going to its website, it seems very clean with grey as its primary color and orange as its accent color. I would be downloading for macOS. Let's open the DMG file and drag and drop. Opening for the second time. From the look of it, it seems like Arc. So this is what Arc looks in its homepage. This is what Zen looks in its homepage. So first things first, let's open settings. This seems familiar. Isn't it the same as Firefox? The photos too are same. So let's use the mountain one. Okay, so here is where I can tell that it is still in beta. I don't think this is the predicted behavior because it just turns into a black dot when I turn on the toggle. Let's go to more settings. And this is the same as Firefox. So let's go to look and feel. Wait, what? Why is this scrollable? I want to minimize this. How to do that? Let's go to keyboard shortcuts and find toggle floating toolbar is option command T. Does not work. Toggle floating sidebar is option command S. Does not work. And toggle compact mode is option command C. That works. Let's go back to look and feel. Going to the browser layout, single toolbar, multiple toolbars, collapsed toolbar. So what is the difference between these two? Isn't there just a difference between the extension and the search box? And here there is settings and no search box. I'll keep multiple toolbars. Oh, so for multiple the search box is at the top and this is better. Colorful dark theme, default dark theme and night theme. Default is better. For keyboard shortcuts, there are a lot of shortcuts, but the one that I found the worst is for toggling the compact mode. It is option command C. If you have used Arc, you would know it is just command S to do the same, but here it saves the page. It is just one more key to be pressed and it's a very weird position for pressing option command C. Workspace is same as spaces in Arc. How can I change the workspace? Default. Okay, I can add from here. Let's make it a testing workspace. Okay, and you can change it just by scrolling through them. And this is nice. I can select tabs by pressing command and the number. So new tab is on first place, so I have to press command 1 to go there, and for settings it's on the second place, so press command 2. One of the key features of Zen is Zen mods. Let's explore it. The first is paper cut theme. I like everything rounded, so I won't get that. And download BG. So it just gives a color to the downloading animation. The theme is installed, and how do I use it? Go to Zen mods and there is nothing here. What is changed in the download animation? That was fast. So I think I have to download something bigger, like a video download. What is this? You have chose to open. What should Zen do with this file? What are the options? Nothing. Okay, so there is a permission asked when you download anything. That's good. The downloading icon was blue, same as this color. To change that color, I think I just have to change the theme. So let's make it orange and download the same video again. And it is orange. Mods does make it look better. Okay, enough of settings. Now let's go to YouTube, because the last time I installed Zen, I found one bug. For example, if I start, let me mute it. If I start this video, so let's start the video, go to full screen, and from full screen, if I try to, let me pause the video, and from full screen, if I try to create a new tab by pressing Ctrl T and then exit the full screen, you see there is this sidebar. I don't know what it is, but it is showing me all kinds of stuff. Of course, this is a bug. I have to just click anywhere else and then I can press command T again to open the new tab. And one more difference that I noticed was if I create a new window, so you see this is the first window and now this is the second window. If I press command W to close the tab, thus closing the window, it does not work. For this to happen, I have to press Command Shift W. One of the problems that I had with Arc was whenever I opened a live server, it would open in another temporary window. So if I just open it in VS Code and open the live server, you see it opened in a temporary window. If I try to open a new tab and just write Google, my live server window also goes away. And if I try to undo my action by swiping right on my trackpad, the temporary window also closes. So that was one of the problems I had with Arc. Now let's see, does the same thing happen in Zen? Let's open a live server. So the live server started on my permanent window instead of opening somewhere else, and I appreciate it. Let's try the split view. So let's open Google and another Google or Gogo and press toggle split view horizontal, option command H. So I have to press option command H. Okay, and option command V for vertical. Nice. So it is smooth, was what I was trying to test. And you can search for ASDF. Oh wow, advanced scientific data format, a form of storing astronomical data. Resizing is an option. Let's go to vertical. Resizing is an option. And how to close it, option command U. That does nothing. I think the shortcuts are getting mixed up, so let me just close the tabs. At the end, I would just like to say that it's just a story of when Arc met Firefox and made a baby and named it Zen. Because most of the shortcuts, the homepage, the history and downloads tab is same as Firefox. So basically it's the appearance of Arc and the settings of Firefox. I would rate it 3.5 on a scale of 5 because I don't see anything new in the browser. It's just things taken from different browsers and created a hybrid one. Would I use it instead of Firefox? The answer would be no. And because the answer is no, let's go to applications and delete Zen.